The Four Friends. An unusual group of four friends lived deep inside a forest. The four friends were a deer, a crow, a mole, and a tortoise. They would meet every afternoon under a shady banyan tree and talk for hours. One day, the deer did not turn up at the usual time. The mole, tortoise, and crow were worried. She didn't have to fly too far to find the deer. The deer sighed, I am normally very careful in where I put my step. I will get some help, the crow said as she flapped away. Friend tortoise, you wait right here, said the mole. The crow picked up the mole in her beak and flew quickly to the spot where the deer was trapped. The deer was happy to see his friends. The mole started cutting through the net. It was hard work, but soon the deer was free. Ah, looks like our friend is free, came a voice from the bushes. At same moment, the hunter arrived. The deer ran swiftly. The crow flew away. The mole quickly dug a hole to hide in. But the tortoise was too slow. The hunter was shocked to see that the net had been cut. Oh no! We have lost our friend, cried the crow. No, there is still hope, said the mole with a smile as he whispered a plan to his two friends. With the tortoise on his back, the hunter headed back to the village. The hunter could not believe his luck. I lost one deer, but looks like I have found another. And I don't even have to kill this one. The tortoise smiled. His friends had come to rescue him. For a tortoise, he moved really fast straight to the lake. That was the signal. The deer sprang to his feet and ran away. The four friends hurried back to the banyan tree. No thanks needed, said the deer with a smile.